Hello everyone, growing portulaca on the balcony is very simple. Please watch my video. I will guide you how to grow portulaca in a plastic pot with a trellis made from discarded chopsticks. First is how to choose seedlings. I choose healthy, green plants in the process of growing, free of pests and diseases. This helps the plants have energy to develop right from the start. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you. Before planting, we should remove old leaves because when planted, the leaves will also wither and fall. Because newly planted trees have not had time to absorb nutrients, photosynthesize light, or change temperature, old leaves will also wither and fall. To help the plants have enough nutrients to grow, I use organic fertilizer mixed with soil to loosen the soil before planting. The portulaca flower is a soft-stemmed flower with strong vitality, symbolizing loyalty and indomitability to nature. The flower usually blooms around 8, 9, 10 a.m. when the sun shines, and will close when the weather is cool. After preparing all the ingredients, I started to grow purslane. We put soil in the pot, leaving about 5 to 7 centimeters above the pot's mouth to avoid the soil overflowing when watering or being affected by nature. I used 8 chopsticks evenly distributed over the pot to support the plant and shape it to grow as desired. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. I use string to tie the flowers together in a circle around the pot based on the fixed chopsticks. We need to cut off all remaining buds, sprouts, or flowers so that the plant does not lose the nutrients that feed it. Do you know the benefits of honey when caring for plants? Honey has many nutrients, repels insects, stimulates plants to germinate and root very quickly. So I will use honey mixed with water to water the plants evenly. Newly planted plants are still weak, so the flower pot should be placed in a cool place with enough light for photosynthesis, avoiding harsh sunlight that can harm the plant. To encourage the plant to produce more shoots, more branches, and then more flowers. Once the plant has taken root and sprouted, I will use pruning shears to help the plant produce more new shoots. Liquid organic fertilizer made from marine fish is very nutritious, non-toxic to humans, and can be absorbed quickly by plants. So I will use this fertilizer mixed with water to water the plants. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. When the plant was 10 days old, it had new shoots. Just like in the beginning, I trimmed the excess branches to create new shoots. Later, the flowers will bloom more, thicker, and more beautiful. Nudifut milk is rich in nutrients and stimulates flowering very well, giving larger, more durable, and beautiful flowers. Therefore, I will use Nudifut milk mixed with water to water the plants. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. It's amazing how simple it is to plant and care for. After a short time, I was able to have beautiful pots of 10 o'clock flowers to admire after tiring working days. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you.